How to travel to the UK for free. Dreaming of visiting the UK, exploring London's historic streets, hiking Scotland's breathtaking highlands, or experiencing the charm of Wales but worried about the costs? What if I told you it's possible to travel to the UK for free? Yes, you heard that right, free. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll reveal all the legitimate ways you can make this dream a reality without spending a fortune. And if you love travel hacks like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more amazing tips. Number 1. Volunteer exchange programs, free accommodation plus meals. One of the best ways to travel for free is by exchanging your skills for free food and accommodation. Websites like Workaway, WWOF worldwide opportunities on organic farms, and helps connect travelers with hosts who need help with farming, childcare, teaching, or even hostel work in exchange for free room and board. Imagine working a few hours a day on a beautiful UK farm in exchange for free meals and a place to stay. Some hosts even offer extra perks like bike rentals or guided tour. Just make sure you check visa rules. Most travelers can volunteer for up to 30 days on a tourist visa. Have you ever tried Workaway or WWOF? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Number 2. House sitting, live in a UK home for free. What if I told you that you could stay in a luxurious UK home for free? House sitting is a brilliant way to travel without paying for accommodation. Websites like Trusted House Sisters and Minmi House let you take care of someone's home and sometimes pets while they're away. You could be living in a cozy London flat or a countryside cottage, just by watering plants or walking a dog. Some assignments even last for weeks or months, giving you the perfect UK base. Would you try house sitting? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Free flights with travel hacking, credit card points and rewards. Now, let's talk about the biggest expense flights. Did you know you can fly to the UK for free using credit card points? Many airlines and banks offer travel reward programs where you earn points for everyday spending that can be redeemed for free flights. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card gives you 60,000 points if you spend $4,000. In the first 3 months, that's enough for a round-trip flight to London. Always pay off your balance to avoid interest, but if used wisely, this is a game changer. Have you ever booked a free flight with points? Share your tips below. Number 4. Free accommodation with Couchsurfing and hospitality exchange. Another amazing way to stay for free. Couchsurfing. This platform connects travelers with locals who offer free couches or spare rooms. It's not just about saving money, it's a chance to make friends and experience the UK like a true local. Safety tip: always read reviews and verify profiles before staying. Many hosts even show guests around the city. Would you try Couchsurfing? Or are you too nervous? Let's discuss in the comments. Number 5. Free tour and activities, no need to spend on sightseeing. Once you're in the UK, you don't have to spend a fortune on tour. Many cities offer free walking tour where you just tip the guide at the end. London has free museums like the British Museum and National Gallery, and even free events like concerts in Hyde Park. Tip: check local Facebook groups and Eventbrite for free cultural events, meetups, and festivals. What's the first UK attraction you'd visit for free? Big Ben, Stonehenge, tell me below. Number 6. Free transportation, hitchhiking and ride shares. Getting around the UK can also be free. While trains can be pricey, you can hitchhike safely, especially in rural areas. Or use ride-sharing apps like BlaBlaCar, where drivers offer empty seats. For long-distance trips at low cost, sometimes even free. Always check reviews and meet in public places for safety. Would you try hitchhiking or BlaBlaCar? Share your thoughts. Number 7. Scholarships and study exchange programs, free trips for students. If you're a student, you can study in the UK for free or nearly free through exchange programs like Erasmus Plus or university partnerships. Some programs cover flights, housing, and even a monthly stipend. Even if you're not a student, some cultural exchange programs offer short-term visits for artists, writers, or volunteers. Would you study abroad just to travel for free? Let me know. Number 8. Become a travel blogger or influencer, get sponsored trips. If you love taking photos or writing, you could get paid to visit the UK or even go for free. Hotels, airlines, and tourism boards often sponsor influencers to promote their destinations. How to start? Build a niche, for example, budget travel, solo female travel, foodie adventures. Grow your audience, post consistently on Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. Pitch to UK tourism boards, email hotels, attractions offering content in exchange for free stays. Even if you're just starting, small guest houses or local tour companies might say yes. Would you try becoming a travel influencer? Comment below, we'll share pitching tips in a future video. Number 9. Win a free trip contests and giveaways. Did you know companies give away free trips to the UK all the time? Airlines, travel agencies, and even British brands run contests where you can win flights and hotels. Where to look? Airlines, British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, check their Twitter, X for giveaways. Hotels, Premier Inn, Hilton often run promotions. Instagram, search hashtags like #UK travel giveaway. Tip, set up Google alerts for UK travel competitions so you never miss one. Have you ever won a free trip? Tell me your story in the comments. Number 10. Crew on a yacht or cruise ship, free ride plus paid work. This one's for adventurous work on a boat heading to the UK. Cruise lines and private yachts. Hire dishwashers, deckhands, and entertainers and you get free travel plus a salary. How to apply? Cruise lines, P&O, Cunard, Royal Caribbean, check their career pages. Yacht crew, sites like Find a Crew, Ned or Yarth. No experience, some jobs like cleaning or kitchen staff train you on the spot. Could you see yourself working on a ship? Let me know, we might do a full guide on this. Number 11. Free language exchanges, stay with locals and teach your language. If you speak English fluently or any language, you can stay with UK families for free by teaching them your native tongue in exchange for accommodation. How it works: apps, Tandem, HelloTalk, Conversation Xing. Homestays, some families host you for 1 to 4 weeks. If you help them practice it, imagine a living with a London family, teaching them Spanish or French and exploring the city for free. What language would you teach? Comment below, maybe you'll find a language partner here. Number 12. Religious or volunteer retreats, free stay plus spiritual experience. Many UK monasteries, ashrams, and eco-villages offer free stays in exchange for volunteering or participating in their programs. Where to look? Monasteries, check booking monasteries. Calm. Eco-retreats, workaway, search for meditation or yoga hosts. You'll get free lodging, meals, and a unique cultural experiences. Be ready to follow their schedule. Would you try a silent retreat in the UK? Share your thoughts. Number 13. Become a mystery shopper, get paid to visit UK stores and hotels. Companies pay people to secretly review their services, including flights, hotels, and restaurants. Some mystery shopping gigs even cover full trips to test customer service. How to start? Sign up on MarketForce, Secret Shopper, or Grassroots. Apply for travel-related assignments. Warning, these are competitive, but if you get one, you could get reimbursed for a UK vacation. Have you ever been a mystery shopper? Tell us about it. Number 14. House swapping, trade homes with a UK resident. Swap your home with someone in the UK for free. Websites like Love Home Swap and Home Exchange let you trade houses for a week or a month, no money needed. Perfect if you live in a touristy area like near a beach or big city. Some people even swap cars too. Would you let strangers stay in your home? Why or why not? So there you have it, 14 proven ways to travel to the UK for free or almost free. Which method excites you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next travel hack. Until next time, happy travels!